Hey everybody, this is Anthony from Into the Darkroom, and I'm going to talk to you today about saving your images for the web. The most important thing about saving them for the web is that you can get them down to a file size that is not going to slow down your site. You can play around with the file size so that your site's more efficient, or your blog, or whatever product you're working on. So the idea now is that we are going to take this image that I have here that is already cropped, about 1600 by 900, and we're going to go ahead and say File, Save for Web Devices. And what you're going to see here is that this is the image at 100%, and I'm going to turn the quality up to 100% right now. I have the JPEG selected, and I'm at maximum 100%, and you'll see down here that once it's 100%, that the file size is about 300 kilobytes. Now, for the web, you want your images to be, if you can, 300 kilobytes or less. You'll have to think about your blog, and if you have a bunch of images, it does tend to add up as far as bandwidth, and it can slow down your site. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can take this image and make it even more efficient. So if we come in here and we take this quality toggle, you're going to notice that if I turn it down to 80% quality, around there, the image doesn't degrade yet. So even by turning it down just to 80%, I've knocked my file size down to 156 right here from 300 and whatever it was. So I could even go a little bit lower if I wanted to, and I can just keep pushing this until right before the image degrades, bring it back up, and I can get this image down to 125 kilobytes. That's less than half, and that's going to save you a ton of downloading and efficiency for your users. So if you want your site to be really quick and zippy, you're going to want to play around with this setting here. So I'm going to go ahead and click save, and I'm going to save my image. And if you are going to be using a product where you want your images ordered, you want to make sure that you do something like image 0001, and then your next image will be 0002, and that'll actually help with the organization of your images. So I'm going to go ahead and click save, and that is how you save for web. So I hope that you use that, because it's going to make your site more efficient, it's going to make it faster, it's going to make it easier on your users. Thanks for watching.